After caring for my mom for a few years, I'm ready to return to nursing. But there's a challenge: my nursing license has lapsed. It's been a bit of a process, but here's what I've done to get my license reinstated. First, I visited my state's BON website to understand the specific requirements for reinstating a lapsed license. I knew I needed clarity, so I decided to contact the BON directly through email and phone calls. They provided detailed information on the documentation needed, the continuing education units I must complete, and the fees involved. With a clear understanding of what was required, I started taking the necessary steps to reactivate my license. First, I signed up for and completed the relevant CEU courses. Then I gathered all the needed documents: CEU certificates, proof of previous licensure, employment history, and personal ID. With my documents ready, I filled out and submitted the reinstatement application online for efficiency. I also reached out to former colleagues for advice and support. Their insights were invaluable. By staying informed, diligent, and seeking guidance, I tackled my license lapse effectively. Dealing with a lapsed license can be tough, but understanding the steps and using available resources made all the difference.